Hello everyone, welcome to my another YouTube video. Today I am going to show you how we can track emails sent to leads by our previous workflow. This workflow checks whether we have received a response from leads. If there is a response, it analyzes it. If the response is positive, our system automatically send email to leads and send them my Calendly link to schedule a meet. Let's jump into our workflow. I will break down each node as you can see exactly how the processes work behind the scenes. Let's start with Gmail trigger. When we click on Gmail trigger, this interface opens. Here you can select your Gmail credentials. After that, we select event as message received and it checks whether we have any unread emails or not. If there is, it extracts those unread emails. After that, we have second node is a code node. We use code node because of leads email received from previous trigger comes enclosed in a bracket angles. So it removes the bracket angles and give us in a clean format. There's another Google Sheet node. This pulls out the emails that were already sent to leads by our previous workflow. After there is the if node, we use this to make sure the email we have received actually comes from one of our leads, because sometimes the inbox get other emails that not from our leads. So if node compares the sender emails to the leads email stored in our Google Sheet. If the sender emails found in that list, it means the emails from a lead and we can move forward to check their response. If it's not in the list, the workflow simply ignores it. The next node is the AI agent node. The AI agent node takes snippet of emails that we received from leads and analyzes it to understand the intent of leads, whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. If it shows there is a positive response, our workflow automatically replies to the leads and send them my Calendly link so they book a meet with me. The next node is the Pinecone vector store node we use because to store our AI agent and lead conversation in this vector databases. After that, we use embedding OpenAI model to convert these conversations into vectors and then store into our vector databases. And after that, our AI agent node use Anthropic chat model for giving reply to them. The next node is the append or update row in sheet node. We append the flag into sheet after analyzing the intent of leads by our AI agent. The next node is our last node, which is Gmail. It replies to the leads which have positive intent and send them my Calendly link. So that's it for today, and now you know how to automate lead handling in n8n. Thank you.